Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Joe, and
Shruts.
yes. Okay, so we have a Femc in the house today.
Vadaiyan to Anuvi, everybody
Yes.
know Vadaiyan. Okay.
Yes, I got
Yeah.
DM saying DMC dropped a brand new track on 15th August, and I was
Acha.
like, hells yeah, we're gonna react to it. I don't think besides I think the Rani Cypher, there's nothing like in real time that's been dropped that that's not older stuff. So this was
Right.
brand new, and I was like, chalo, let's do it. It says here, Vadaya is a slap on the face of society's hypocrisy, where people who have no clue about your journey want to give you advices. It's advice. Want to give you advice on how to lead your life. It talks about the constant choices an artist has to make in a South Asian society where art as a career is often looked down upon. Dee tells the naysayers to keep their advice to themselves. She gives them 1,000 thanks. Thank you, Thik. She also urges the women of the country to not silently endure injustice anymore, to speak up when it's the right thing to do, and that if her track touched or motivated anyone, she'll give herself 1,000 thanks for it. Hazar.
Nice.
Hazar dhanyavad, I guess. Interesting. Let's see.
Let's get
what's
to it.
happening in this. There's I don't see credits, music credits, but it says Sunit Music, DMC, D equals MC Square, which I think is the name of the album. Yeah, okay, yes, DMC's
Possibly,
debut.
yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's her debut album, produced by Sunit Music. Okay,
Nice.
done.
हाँ,
Chalo.
ठीक है. Ready.
1, 2, 3, play.
मेहरबान कदरदान साहिबान, आज हम आपको एक ऐसा नाटक दिखाने जा रहे हैं जिससे हम सभी वाकिफ हैं, लेकिन जानने के बाद भी उसे नज़रअंदाज करते हैं, और इसीलिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देना चाहती हूँ। तो आइए आज का नाटक शुरू करते हैं। 70 साल की आजादी, टिकी सोच फिर भी छोटी, 100 करोड़ के इस आबादी ने हासिल किए मुकाम कई, अंजाम तो एक ही पाया, घुटे दम तक उसे खींच के लाया, रिवाज के पहिए ये रुकते नहीं है, आवाज उठाओ तो कर देंगे शांत, रटने वालों की आ जाई है शामत, पूछूं मैं उनसे क्या उनका औजार, तोते बने क्योंकि होना था पास, कोई भी सवाल का ना होगा जवाब, मुखौटे हैं चेहरों पे 100,000, चुपके वो करते हैं चीजों पे वार, सोच तुम्हारी जो मिलती नहीं, ये ले लेंगे प्राण, अब होगा तकरार, हुक्म वो देंगे अब जीना है कैसे, खुद को निचोड़ो कमाने हैं पैसे, पाई पाई जोड़ टूट गई कमर, लोकल के चक्कर में कट गई उम्र, धक्के वो खाते ना कोई आवाज, चारा ही क्या बस जीने दो यार, दुनिया ये मगन है खुद के ही धुन में, मन की आवाज को कोई तो सुन ले, बिछी है यहाँ पे सपनों की लाशें, परायों से कड़वी है अपनों की बातें, औकात के बाहर के ख्वाब तू ना दे, चलती है गाड़ी तू इसका हिसाब दे ना, मैं कर दूं इनकार, हो जो ना खुद का वो बांटो ना ज्ञान, राय को तुम रख लो अपने ही पास, देती हूँ तुमको बधाइयाँ हजार। 'हक' के शब्द का मूल ही क्या, जिसे पता नहीं उसका अर्थ है क्या, बचपन बीती पिता के नाम पे, बाकी उम्र किसी और के नाम से, जोड़ी वो खुद को समाज के दबाव पे, तोड़ी वो खुद को, घूरे अश्लील शर्म आती है उसको, अनहोनी हुई तुमने पहना था क्या, वक्त की रेखा को किया क्यों पार, दोष लगा दो अपराध के शिकार पे, कैसे चली खुद को मर्द समझ के, उम्र 25 कब होगा विवाह, खाना बनाना ईमान का सवाल, भरती ये सोच कूट कूट के, पीढ़ी से खाते झूठ है, कहते हैं देवी है करना समान, पर्दे के पीछे बन जाते हैं बान, मेरी ही गलती है मान लिया, नारीवाद उड़ाओ धज्जिया, बदल ना सके सोच को, मुझे ही कैदी बना दिया, खुश हो जो तुम तो बधाइयाँ, खुश ना हो तो भी बधाइयाँ, बदलोगी कैसे कुछ रहोगी अगर जो बदलोगी कैसे कुछ रहोगी अगर जो बढ़ोगी कैसे तुम मान के हुक्म समझो कि तुम पे भी हो रहा जुल्म, लेख ये मेरा असर कर गया, सुन के ये गीत अगर मिली प्रेरणा, दूंगी मैं खुद को बधाइयाँ हजार, दूंगी मैं खुद को बधाइयाँ हजार, दूंगी मैं खुद को बधाइयाँ हजार।
Right. Are you seeing these things as well?
Yeah, I was
I
trying
also
to
can't
see
stop
the.
looking. I'm also reading. Yeah.
Actually wanted to
Okay.
see who the voices on the chorus were,
Hmm.
but
So that song, if I'm not mistaken, usually
Mm.
gets sung when a son is born.
Mm.
That's a very specific song that usually gets sung when a son is born, and then basically even the lyrics and everything. I could be
Really?
wrong, but
When
jahan
a
tak,
son is
yeah,
born or a child is born.
I think it's when a son is born. It's not so, which is why it was interesting. If it is that, then it's very interesting that she picked that song to be the chorus of such a song, which she was, you know,
Very interesting. If you're right,
Yeah.
then
yeah. Which is what if anyone who's watching right now, and if you've heard this song before, tell me if I'm right or wrong. Like, have you ever heard this song before, and what was the association that's there with it? Because jahan tak mujhe yaad hai, I think aise hi hai. But
I've heard
listen,
it, but I don't know where I've
Yeah.
heard it. It sounded
Yeah.
familiar the second it came on.
it's a
That's
very
why I
it's a folk
smiled.
it's a folk
Yeah,
song.
yeah, yeah. That I know,
yeah.
but I don't know where I've heard it or in what context I've heard it.
Because the song is also na tere
Shadi,
poot ko
yeah.
tere whatever ko, like it's all like to your father, to your grandfather, to your whatever, basically your entire lineage. It's a lineage song. So when you're
Oh,
congratulating
right.
that the lineage is going forward, वैसा वाला. So
Oh.
yeah, but yes, but besides that,
ये problem ही नहीं
song-wise,
होती ना lineage वाली अगर if women just keep their surnames the same from birth to death like they do in a lot of countries and nations around the world. So
even in India, in the Northeast and Southern India, the women keep. So that's just a matriarchal and a
Depends.
patriarchal thing, no? Depending on which.
I mean,
who follows what?
not all societies. Even in the South, there are like they take their husband's first name, not even the family name. Like it's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
practice is very
Yeah.
different depending on the society you belong to. I
Correct.
think in the Northeast, you're right. They keep their name, but I just feel like I don't see the logic in that because like dropping your maiden surname is a thing I have a huge issue with because it makes no sense to me. It makes no sense to me. It's literally like आप ownership transfer कर रहे हो जो पहले के जमाने में ठीक है maybe you know whatever it was scene जो भी था doesn't make any sense in like for example in Spain the mother's surname and the father's surname are both given to every child and it's called first surname second surname you know
Right.
there's no dropping anyone's family name both
Right.
the families carry forward the lineage so
Right.
anyway well let's move beyond that tell me your thoughts
Musically.
Yeah.
Musically, I think the song was very sound. Like, you know, when you're listening to it, the way it had been merged, you know, the whole folksy element going into the whole hip hop beat, the way they had put it together, it was beautiful. Like it had a very nice flow to it. Of course, there were moments when within the rap, because it was so strong and it felt stronger because it was real and it was true. And you know, how much ever we can deny it, how much ever we can say, क्या यार, same बातें लेके हमेशा लड़कियां बैठ जाती हैं. अरे, when you've not faced it, you will not know it. कि क्यों same आलाप राग, you know, same राग को आलापते रहते हैं. Point is not कि same बातें हो रही हैं. Point is कि कितने लोगों को actually समझ आएंगे. ये कह के कह देना कि अरे बार-बार same बातें करते रहते हैं. हाँ, इसलिए because उसका कोई असर नहीं हो रहा है. Because like centuries old चीजें जो हैं जो पहले नहीं होती थी by the way, and then certain centuries like you know a change that has happened. अब उस change को reverse करने में थोड़ा repetition और थोड़ा time तो लगेगा ना. मतलब normally हम किसी चीज को एक basic habit को change करने के लिए 21 days लगते हैं. एक basic नई आदत को change करने में affirmations में यार they normally tell you कि 21 days लगते हैं. तो ये तो एक बहुत ही अंदरूनी filtered conditioning है which needs to change. It's going to take a little while longer. So if you are thinking, why are women just constantly repeating themselves? Yeah, because you know there are certain things that take time.
Yeah, but also every rapper, whether it's male or female, it doesn't matter. Everyone is talking about their life experiences in their songs.
Exactly.
So in that sense, jo dusre, and I don't want to distinguish because it's not about male or female at all.
It isn't.
You hear the male rappers talking about society and the problems they faced growing up in their life, and the same is happening here. You've got to
or heartbreak. Heartbreak
like the
biggest
any life experience. It's literally down to that. And I think the stuff she's saying here is it's all real stuff and it happens and it's ongoing and it is problematic and it should be highlighted. It may hurt you to hear the truth, but it is the truth that you know it doesn't change what happens. So anyway, sorry, continue.
So musically and video wise, although it was a very plainly made video, Like, you know, it was a very simple focus. जैसे वो spoken word fest होता है ना, जिसके अंदर
Drama,
आप
theatre
yeah,
fest.
like you are on a stage and then the focus light is on you and you are just speaking it out. You have been given
Yeah.
the focus light to speak your mind, speak your heart. And literally that's what's going on. So even with the background dancers, that was going very beautifully with the whole feel and the sarcasm of, you know, ke badhaiyan. She also used it really well. And then in the end, how she flipped the script on its own. Like, you know, throughout the song, she kept saying in a very sarcastic way that if you think this is the way forward, then aapko badhai ho. Like, you know, oh my
Yeah.
God, like
Yeah.
you will never change. And like, congratulations to you.
Yeah.
Lekin by
Yeah.
the end of it, how she flipped it and said, if the song can change even one person's life or they can think differently, then I'm going to congratulate
I did
myself.
myself. Yeah.
Yeah. So which is nice. It was very nicely made. Very few people would actually go out on a limb and make such a song because everyone's running behind the whole commercialism of it.
Yes.
So I'm really glad that she actually went ahead and made such a song, and that too in her debut album.
Yeah.
You know? So yeah,
I think
nice.
I think it's the first video also that she's dropping. So I think what I'm seeing there's a lot of honesty in her, you know, because like from the second that's the first thing you see on her face, and it's just a very honest artist face, and she's got a lot of you know, it's not like she's on a war path. She's not on a feminist war path or anything of that sort. But she's like, okay, if I'm going to create music and be an artist and be a musician, then I'm going to put out a lot of truth bombs into the world that people may not want to hear, and I may not get a lot of views for it, and I may not get a lot of commercial success through this kind of a song, but I'm still going to do it because it needs to be said, and very nicely said. The thing is, when it started, and then, you know, the chorus started, and the folk voices, they instantly pull you in. And I had like goosebumps from her first 2, 3, 4 lines. I had instant just goosebumps because even her delivery was very passionate. It was very passionate. So from the passion in the voice and the delivery and the flow, the honesty came across. Yeah. So, and that I really appreciate.
And without being preachy. Because it's very easy to shift and become preachy, you know, and she wasn't. And most people who say कि अरे कोई भी women rights के बारे में अगर बात करता है वो immediately feminist बन जाते हैं. अरे boss, like come on, थोड़ा सा read up कर लो so you get little clarity on feminism क्या होता है. Just because कोई औरत अपनी rights के बारे में बात कर रही है, हाँ, मतलब like let's not get into that. अब अपने side में research करके वो figure out कर लो. हाँ.
People have put such a negative connotation on the feminism word itself that it's like what like why it literally stands for equality. That's all that word means. And nothing beyond that. So, you know,
there's a very beautiful thing which I know the moment I say it, everyone would have seen it, because it's one very common thing mostly people have seen. That what is the difference between what is real equality? That agar 3 log, you know, like one elder person, one really tall person, one mid-heighted person, and one child. If they are standing trying to look across say if they're watching a cricket match, okay, and they are on this side of the wall, and wo diwar se dekhna chahte hain ki how to. You've seen it, na? So one person, tall person can just stand as is, right? So you don't give everyone the same block. You give the block so that everyone can see beyond the wall. That is the correct way of equality. Equality is not sabko same type ke blocks de dena. So yeah, I think anyone who's not seen it, please jaake ye wala dekho meme. Bahut interesting, it's very eye-opening. It kind of immediately puts the funda straight, you know, it sorts the funda out, basically.
Yeah. So, yeah. I mean, I also get where the critics of feminism come from, where it's like, okay, you can't play the woman card everywhere and you can't whatever.
I agree with that.
Yes, I agree with that completely, because there are some situations where that is not what is happening.
In fact, it's pissing off. As a true feminist, it's really pissing off when women use the feminist card to get away with actually really
with dumb stuff and just, you know, false narratives and whatever.
Sometimes even criminal stuff. And then you're like, don't misuse feminism, because you're pulling back itna effort jo feminism ko theek karne mein, you know, theek karne mein jo ja raha hai, just with that one wrong spin, everything comes crashing down. And then it's like, no, Matlab,
and then the critics get even more ammo. And you're like,
but see, the very fact कि हमें इतनी छोटी चीज के लिए फूक के देखना पड़ रहा है कि everyone should be correct, everyone should be, one wrong step. In the correct way of equality, I wouldn't, or you wouldn't need to think of that, this little minor negative step can push us back. If everyone was equal, I wouldn't be thinking like that. But the very fact that I am means that I need everything that, you know, DMC spoke in her song, We need
Yeah.
all of it.
Yeah, it's
So, yeah.
definitely needed. And you know,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you something very honestly, and I don't know how it will get taken by viewers, but I've because I haven't spent a lot of time in India. I didn't live in India for except for, you know, a few years here and there.
Yeah.
And because of the way I was raised and all of that, I just never I never felt any discrimination for being a woman. Like I
Neither did
never,
I. Yeah.
right?
Neither
We
did
were
I.
never,
Correct.
we
Yeah.
were raised the same as any other child would be raised. We were given the same opportunities. We
Correct.
we like, at least in the workplaces I worked in, there was never it was just ability and skill. That's it. That's all.
There was
that
never a question. Yeah.
There was never a question. It was never even in my mind until
Yeah.
I lived and worked in North India. And I'm very honest about this. It was
Yeah.
a stark, it was literally like culture shock, because I was like, I am the head of a particular department in here, but
Yeah.
when because I'm a woman, a lot of people don't give that much weightage to the things I ask them to do for me. If I was a man, it would be yes sir, yes sir. But because I was and I didn't realize why this was happening, because I was like, why isn't my work
Mm.
getting done? I asked for it
Yeah.
a week ago, and then
Yeah.
I realized that, oh, I should send a guy from my team to get that guy to ask that guy to do this, because the mentality is it was so bizarre. I was like,
Is this actually happening?
is this for real? Does this really happen? Like, they literally
Yeah.
change their attitude and their body language when it's a guy who walks up to their desk and asks them, we need this in our studio, and da, da, da. If it's a woman who's even higher in rank than that person and who comes and asks, they will not pay any attention. And I found that so
Yeah.
bizarre. And I'm not like pointing fingers at an organization or
Yeah.
anything. I'm just saying that in general, I noticed this in the general like environment. I was like,
Yeah. No, I hear you. And you know what the flip side of it is? That when
"Hmm,
women can't get their work done, then they're like, how do you get that attention? So if you be slightly flirtatious, then one gets termed off as, oh, they use being flirtatious as a means to get their work done. Why can't they just, just be themselves? It's like, what are you, that whole really warped
I wouldn't, yeah, I know, but it's
dependency that gets created. But some people do, right? Some people go
bizarre.
towards that.
I would
And
get
then
more
it becomes
bossy.
that,
I'd be like,
why?
what the yeah.
And then the label
And then
gets
they have
attached that, oh, then the
too
label
much
gets attached that,
attitude.
oh, because yes,
Too much
that because she's a
attitude.
woman boss. She thinks she's achieved a lot. She's like, too much. Why can't she just be chill?
Yeah, and the funny
know?
thing is, if a guy does the same thing, it's like, oh man, he knows how to handle his team, and he knows how to handle
Yeah.
his work, and he knows
Yeah.
how to get work done, how to get shit done. And it's like, bro.
हम
So-
हम यहाँ अपनी personal angst पे निकल गए हैं. Thank you.
I know,
DMC.
but I'm just telling you that I saw the reality of it on ground,
Yeah,
because I
yeah.
came from the outside. So
Correct.
so for me, it was a very stark, like, okay, this stuff happens on the daily. It's not
Yeah.
one-offs. It happens on the
Yeah.
daily, and it's very prevalent in the mindset of people in here. So anyway,
Correct.
I think songs like this are super relevant and super needed, and
Yeah.
just
Even if
guys,
they just
take
open
it
the
for what it
discussion
is.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if they open discussion up among just randomly sitting, you might just learn something from your female friend about generally the kind of life that she deals with on a daily basis, जो
Yeah.
आपको otherwise नहीं पता होगा. अगर इतनी सी बात खुल
Yeah.
के openly बात हो जाए ना, आधी problems I'm telling you, वहीं 80% problems will get solved, and
Yeah.
everyone will just chill and live together and stick to
Yeah.
their gender roles and still be able to be successful. अगर
That's
gender role में
exactly
डाल दिया कि only when you are masculine then you can succeed, then they start saying that, oh, women who do business, earlier that dharna used to be there, कि जो business में घुस रहा है, she's got to be very butch and very masculine and very like, no, like, if one expects a woman to succeed just as she is, she won't need to change.
Yeah.
So if a woman is changing,
just
it is
show the same respect to everyone. That's it. Don't even differentiate whether they are a man or woman. They're a human being, and that's
Correct.
it. They don't need
Correct.
to earn your respect. You just give respect
Human.
to everyone you meet, because
Yes.
that's just how the world should be. And
Correct.
I think I had one closing thought which I'm kind of forgetting right now. But yeah, I was saying that, it's if you guys who are more aware or who become aware now, you are the ones who need to speak up when stuff is happening. Like, for example, Benedict, I think it was Cumberbatch, who said, I'm not going to do a film if my female co-star is not paid the
Yeah.
same as I am. He refused.
Correct.
He put that clause in his contract, and that makes a difference because
Makes a huge difference. Yeah.
you know, like it's not like the women
And
are
for someone
fighting for
to do
equal
that, wow.
pay. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
he's put his foot down and said, make sure this happens or I'm not in your film. So,
Yeah.
you know, as guys, you have an important role to play in this debate. And, you know, it's instead of ignoring it or shrugging it off or sweeping it under the rug and saying, oh, I don't want to talk about this or whatever. Just be like, dude, they're saying, you know, like, I don't know, just be supportive, man. That's all it is. It's not very difficult to do.
Correct.
If you're all for everyone being happy.
You be
and
chill, we be chill, we be chill, you be chill, everyone chill.
Yes, that's all
all.
it is. Respect for everyone. So yeah, lovely. We have talked a lot in this one, but yeah.
Chop, chop, chop.
I full power to DMC. You do you, and you're doing it so beautifully and so powerfully. So
Correct.
just keep doing that, and we look forward to more stuff from your album, T equals MC square. Nice. The scientist
Nice,
in me is
yes.
a little disturbed by this equation, but it's all
Because
good.
D-E. Okay.
Yes,
ठीक है.
yes, I do.
Yes,
I believe it.
yes.
Check out Miss Bola's website. It is linked below. Full power to her. All her work is on there. Check it out and take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.